Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. Hope you're all okay, and today I've got a quick video walk around of this MG ZS. Now of course you do get you get your LED daytime running lights, you get halogen headlights, you then also get these brilliant 17-inch alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition. Coming around to the rear, we've also got rear parking sensors and a reversing camera at the bottom. Inside the tailgate now, we've got plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. Then coming back out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we have full black leather interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. We've then, coming into the front, also have your automatic gearbox just here. Air conditioning controls are in the middle, as you can see as well. Then coming up to the touchscreen display, we have your various audio sources. So you do have Bluetooth audio, DAB, AM and FM. Then we've also got Bluetooth hands-free, Apple CarPlay and satellite navigation, just all within that screen. Then over to the steering wheel, we've got your audio controls just here with your source and Bluetooth hands-free. Your onboard computer controls are to the right. You've got automatic headlights, cruise control on the left, and then coming up to the top you can see this MG has done 52,784 miles. Jumping back outside the car now and showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this MG, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.